Overwhelmed by so many fencing options? Discover the differences between temporary, post-driven, and permanent fencing. Each type offers unique benefits and serves specific purposes. Our temporary fence is designed for dynamic projects with changing perimeters, quick to set up, easy to remove, and built to minimize ground disturbance. The post-driven fence provides a more stable solution for projects lasting over 18 months. The posts are driven into the ground, offering greater stability without needing concrete. It's a semi-permanent option, perfect for terrains that require higher security and durability. Permanent fencing is key for final installations. Its installation involves specialized labor and robust equipment, but offers high durability. It's often chosen for its aesthetic appeal, making it a popular choice for use after construction is complete. Contact SONCO for more information or a consultation on your fencing needs.